Okay, today we will learn how to set the Solidworks window and Solidworks comment manager. This is the Solidworks comment manager window. There are many toolbars, feature, sketch, surface, sheet metal, weld mats, mold tool, Solidworks cam. There are many toolbars. This is the main toolbar. Just if you want any toolbar use, if you want to sketch, just you have to click this sketch and just click front plane and right click and make sure it is sketch. Yes, now if you can choose any toolbar, there are many toolbars. Just if you want to sketch anything, just you will choose here. Just now I will choose this center rectangle, and this is the center rectangle, and I will sketch the center rectangle. Yes, now see, this is the center rectangle, and click select. Okay, and now if you want to move this 2D sketch, just you will click in this rotate view and just move cursor, move the mouse, and it is moving. See, now right click and select OK. Yeah, again if you want to extrude, extruded cut, just you will go to feature, and there are many toolbar. You can choose revolve boss, sweep boss. Just I will choose extruded boss. Just click extruded boss, and I will see it is extrude or not. Just see. If you want to change the direction, just you will go to this direction. Just click here, upward, downward, click upward, click downward. It will depend on you. Yes. Okay, and make sure click OK. Yes, it is extrude. Now see. If you want to this display, you can change. If you want to change this, just you will go to in this apply skin and just click here and choose the manage and this or this. You can change another display which will feel better. Just plain white. I will choose plain white. Yes, now it is plain white. And or if you change or anything, yeah, there are or view settings. You can change the view for this 3D model. Just click here and click here and see it is view is different type. There are looking some mirror. Yes, now select OK. Just again choose, and you can choose this. Yeah, now looking or different. See, yeah, different type. Again you can choose, or there are many options. You can set in this way. Just again remove it, click, and again click, and again click here. Now see, now it is no any effect. See, okay. Or there are many toolbar, so I will set the toolbar. There are this is the setting, This is the refresh. If you want to refresh, just click here. It's refresh. And if you want to go this image quality, if you want to change the image quality, you can change. Now look it, just go to setting and system and document property and scroll down and click image quality. See, this is the image quality. Image quality is high and it will be high. Now click OK. So now image quality is so fantastic. It's high quality of the image. Okay. Yeah. Now if you want to if you want to save this 3D model, just you will go to this save tool, click and click save or save as, save all, anything you can choose. Just you will choose save as and select in which folder you will save. Just select in this side. Go to, just click, I click this here and I choose this PC and next click and I'll choose the Solidworks exercise. Then again choose, click here and again I will choose 3D model. Yes, it will save in the 3D model tool and I will save this name 3D model. Okay, 3D model just 01. Just I keep any name. You can choose any name. Just next click save. Okay, it's saved. Yeah. Or if you want to this taskbar, any taskbar remove, just click here and right click and click tab and click this. If you want to remove any taskbar, just will click. Just now I will remove Solidworks inspection. Yes, see, this is the Solidworks inspection. Just go to tab and click Solidworks inspection. Yes, now it is removed. Okay, or any taskbar you can remove, just it will be removed in this way. Okay, or if you want to add any toolbar in this bar, just we will click right click and go to tab and select any surface tool or any tool. If you want to add any tool, just I will add Solidworks inch, just click here. Now see, Solidworks add inch add. Okay, this is the way. If you want to add any toolbar, just you will follow this. Okay, or next yeah, if you want to just remove hide this toolbar, just we will click in this here. Yes, this hide. Okay, now if you want to sketch any bigger size, just you will use it. Now if you want to sketch, just click sketch. Now this toolbar is visual. Or again right click and select OK. Just now it is moving, it is hide. So again if you want to show in this side, just you click any toolbar, just I will click suppose sheet metal. Yes, I'll fix in this site in the all toolbar. So now I will click this fin command manager, just click. Now this all toolbar is visual, so now you will work easily. Yes, this is the Solidworks Windows Solidworks toolbar setup. Okay, right click and select OK. Then if you want to change the taskbar, just right click and just in this we'll keep this cursor in this side and right click and go to customize. Just click customize. Now this is the window bar. Yeah, if you want to change anything or if you want to add more than the toolbar, just you can change the toolbar. There are many toolbar. Yes, looking, there are many toolbar. Yeah, if you want to show any toolbar in this side or this side, just you will click, just I will click feature, just click feature. Now see, this the feature is showing in this side. If you want to remove this toolbar, just you will click, just remove this. Yeah, okay, now it is removed. Okay, if you want to show any toolbar in this side or this side, just you will mark in this toolbar. Okay, there are many options: shortcut bar and comments and menu. Yeah, there are many options and keyboard. See, and mouse. Yes, or customization. There are so many things. And shortcut bar. There are many shortcut bar. If you want to add any shortcut bar in this window, just you will just choose shortcut bar in this. Suppose I'll show the shortcut bar inside. Just we will drag and keep and drag, or yes, it is keep. It is keep. Now it is visual, and then click OK. Now see. Yeah, if you want to remove any this toolbar, just again you will right click and click customize and go to shortcut bar and see, and just drag and move it here. Just okay, it is moved. Yeah, see, and again click OK. See, this is the taskbar setting. Just again, if you want to or another settings, just again right click and click customize. Okay, this is the or some option. Yeah, icon size. If you want to this icon size as small, medium or bigger, this is the icon size. Now select is a small. Just if you want to set so bigger, then you will click here. See, and click OK. See, now taskbar is bigger than first time. Yeah. See, if you want to or bigger the taskbar, you will click in this and click OK. Yeah, now see, taskbar is so bigger. It will depend on you. You can change. This is the settings way. Okay. Actually, the taskbar, a small taskbar is better. So I choose a small taskbar. Yes, this is looking fine. Okay. Yeah. If you want to enable command manager, if you want to change this command manager, just you will click enable command manager, just remove this mark and see the task manager is removed. See, now looking this. Or if you want to see the task manager, enable command manager, just you will mark it. Now see, the command manager tool is available. Okay. Or little option, if you want to lock this command manager, this is the command manager, now it is not locked. If you want to lock this command manager, just you will click lock command manager and toolbar, just click and now this command manager is locked. Yeah. Okay. And click, then click OK. Everything, when you will change the everything, then you will confirm OK. There are many options you can see. Just now I will context toolbar, show on selection, show quick configuration, show quick maps. There are many ways. Okay. Just now I set this. Okay. See everything and click OK. Okay. Yeah. Now if you want to change or anything, okay, today I will not discuss or many another tool because you will be long, so I will discuss or another tool in the next lecture. Okay, thank you for watching.